Barbados tonight. Zaga.
Welcome to Linefoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Bless you, love and greatness, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queen, and I speak of myself. Anyone that will love and blessings, we say give thanks to life, health, and strength, and give thanks to their rising. Life is the greatest, so I have to cherish each moment. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, so you don't know, coming up in this episode, I want to big up everybody on the platform, friends and families, all of the newcomers. Make yourself welcome at home. So I say don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the bell. Yeah, man, coming up in this episode, I don't know Beenieman in the jet and have them a fret. You get what I say? Danny Bless, the entrance boss, explains why he tell Andrew Fresh about his mother, boy man. So answer Lionfoot and tell Lionfoot for do him mass before him post. But Danny Bless, come like him did a pre-Lionfoot. I want one. You see me? And also, I don't know, video face mouth slip. Why? Popcaan. Big up Harry Toddler. Viewers and subscribers, we are doing the mass and forward back. We don't know we are paying the bills. Zin, don't know we are forward. Prince and Genius family butchers, and them are like the place, you see it? Yeah man, it's a black-owned butchers providing you the best quality meat. Them have cow foot, smoked turkey, tripe, cow skin, goat foot, goat belly, liver, kidney, lamb foot, chicken wings, pork, mutton chops, lamb cutlets, lamb neck, oxtail, beef, chicken foot, roasted chicken and broiler chicken. Man, tell us when you don't cook that is finger licking. Yeah man, you know you can find them at 151 Rye Lane, Peckham, SE1540L, shop number 07752172928, Prince number 09138361183. I don't know, in the shop you can get your bun and your cheese and your cheese crunchies, your tough crackers, everything will come from Jamaica. Your yam and banana, you see me I say your pumpkin, your breadfruit, your mango, you see me I say your juice, them and your box drinks, them, everything you want there, them and Jamaica style. See, Prince and Family Butchers, go check them out, without a doubt. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back. Prince and Genius Butchers. Go and check them out on Riley. Yeah, man, the meat fresh, halal. So me I say nice and clean, and you know, the shop is a friendly family coronation. Yeah, man. So you don't know, this vlog is sponsored by Prince and Genius Butchers. Zin? Yes, the first I kick it off with Danny Bless. Danny Bless, when me reach out to Danny Bless, ask him why him do something like that and why him act like that. And then the first me reach out to him and tell him, say, Danny Bless, cool after the argument of a social media. Allow the woman them alone and you know, the argument thing. And so I reach out to him and ask him why I'm telling Andrew Fresh about his mother publicly, and boy Danny Bless answer me away. So I make on hear what I go and say. So here what I go. Yo Danny Bless entrance boss, what I go and Papa? Yeah, you know, so I reach out to start for what I ask her what I go and the media there me I say what I go and start, cause you know, you can't, you see I tell Andrew Fresh just him man daddy, and me not to support them things still, you know. I know he's a man, you're out nice, and maybe I don't know what go on. If I provoke, I get provoked or what, or music thing, you see me? Yeah, so I don't like that still that is style. If you live good brother man, you see it? And suck mother thing, I don't know whether we are big respectable man and thing. You know what I mean? So I just link yourself to find out what go on, you know? Why, you see me? Why you carry out such actions, you see me? On the social media still, you see it? I don't really acknowledge them thing there, you know? I don't know, my brother, so I ask you, why I go on daddy? Why you do that? You see me?
God bless, no man curse. Thank you God, entrance boss is not the worst. I used to scold school, but I never scold church. The more them call my name Danny Bless, the more blessings. Yes, Lionfoot, you know, so I'm not even to want to elaborate about the old news here. Because the old news remind me of some old newspaper in Jamaica, you know. But anyway, here me I say, yeah? I see you do a video and you put out about your vlog and I don't like it. Because I tell people about music. Listen man, I don't bad an argument about the music. Because I don't accept say me is what I am is, and I do everybody I do what I do. So it's not about the music. So you say next time you vlog them blood. Get your information right. I got to do some maths. Don't just go out there and just shoot the thing because I'm a big fan of the program, but just get it right, which I always do. But anyway, yeah.
Viewers and subscribers, when you hear how Danny Bless answer me like him never, well basically me know say him never happy how me didn't do the vlog, you know. As me said, me never know what caused him to tell Andrew Fresh about his mother or how it started. Me just see him on social media rant a cuss and me just highlight it, you know. Yeah, but me rather him answer me that way and make me know say, yo, him never like how me talk and I don't know, music thing why him tell Andrew Fresh about his mother. Me rather him tell me plain and straight more than have it up in him heart and I pretend, you know, with the eye and eye. So, you know, Daddy bless that still. Him speak and talk and no care, you see me? Yeah, man, so furthermore, let's carry on.
Me and such man, them not have nothing in one. Because I realize, I'm just taking myself away from the industry because these people, them too powerful boy, and if you talk about these people, you know, you stop get big up. If you look on the Ras, the Ras, you say the boy, the be Ras. I could tell a lot of people who come and get big up and them still got dance and them name and call again because them not live that life again. And the fact that me's a man out there and a fellow DJ or whatever want to come, you know, talk to me, the choice of word worthless, and I never like it. So it just come down, the mother argument come from the choice of word where the deceased use, you know. And I say worthless. Can't call me worthless, man. So if you check it out, man, them to do their maths, man. You don't know if I'm in Jamaica when somebody say I get worthless. That's I go up in this kind of environment. We always like your mother. So argument done. You understand where I come from? Worthless like your mother. So choice of word. So more if you know why a next person can use a choice of word to offend a person and you can't fire back at the person. Is it a problem? So if you're gonna go at a person and choose choice of words and call a person worthless or worthless, and the fucking idiot, him go WORTHLESS and WOTLISS. So, I'm good, man. That's love that. But that's why I know, say, that's the text him send out so you can look upon it and go on and friend video and comment. Post a comment. So that's why I'm telling him about that in it. But big up yourself, yeah? Any chance.
So there you have it, the viewers and subscribers, fans of Andrew Fresh, and the fans of Danny Bless. So that basically, Danny Bless has the reason why I'm lash out and tell about his mother is nothing to do with music. You know what I mean? That's just because Andrew Fresh make a post and call him worthless. I actually have the post with the message. I go show him, so a search start. Me never know so a search start. Me did honestly think of music pre-men. So you see me? Yeah, so this is where Video Ropes did make a post. Pick up Video Ropes. Yeah, Andrew Fresh comment underneath it. And this is it. Yeah, so basically, this is how it starts according to Danny Bless. So Video Ropes make a post and say, who's a gang of 5? And then in the same comment section, you know, Andrew Fresh commented with one of the laughing emoji I say, but gang of 5, gatekeeper. Tell them to stop blaming people for them being worthless, workless, in brackets. Uno go look at job and stop watching people who are winning while yours gone. Laughing emoji. Boy, my viewers and subscribe. So that is what Danny Bless claim and said that's why I'm telling him to go assault his mother, you know, and things. So I'm not really busy still, you know, but I said the man to live good. You know what I mean? To live good and, you know, if we can't agree, just avoid each other and, you know what I mean? You know, look good for say, well, I want in the dancehall space and now war against the one another, fight against the one another, call police and lock off on one another, dance and them things there. You know, look good, I tell select a producer of voice who are promoter of a book who are them things there. You see me, no look good. You see me, I love what man, love what in dancehall. You see me? Yeah man, big up all UK dancehall. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what I know to say about that. Big up Danny Bless, big up Video Ropes, big up Andrew Fresh. So I say, big up the whole UK dancehall fraternity. See? Yes. So now my viewers and subscribers, I don't know, watch the doctor in the jet and have them afraid.
We're on our way to Barbados. Looking for us. This is Beenieman and we are conscious. Yeah. Nobody watch the accident. Our foot still laying no papa. Nobody worry about it. Yeah. So one man kind of pretty fucked up. And I talk about how the merch from the way from far. You have to give them tough love. No care if our friends or family. Me don't see them a fussy from round. So I smile and I bother like grab a leaf. Then I stop until them smoke you. Now your body wrap up in a white sheet. With the away. London. Tomorrow, Beenieman, Barbados. Tonight, Zaga.
Yes, that's the doctor himself, the king of dancehall, the Jet and Relax. Come like it's a new tune that, you know. So good. Anyway, yeah, but I don't know, the doctor now is currently in the UK here, and you know, he was on his way to Barbados, then UK, and him there still. So you see me, but we just highlight that video for me when say the doctor living the life, you know what I mean? The king living the life. You know what I mean? Now Jet, I want to go fly now one. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, yeah man, so big up yourself, the doctor Beenieman. You see me? And hold on, I can't show the Beenieman and I show the Just Chris. Just Chris, just by a brand new drop top, you know. What you are going on, man? Yes, man, big up myself, Just Chris. I love the whip, brand new whip. Yo, me I tell you, say, sexy. Yo, and Just Chris and Beenieman, that like Beenieman, I test it out, you know. And I love the bandness with Beenieman and Just Chris. You see me togetherness, you know. Yeah, man, you don't know, I say you go, man. Equality, rights, and respect and love. You see, my viewers and subscribers. Moving on now, popcaan, Harry Toddler. I will have vibes in the yard, and I tell you, a video face. More sleep and popcorn say, walla why? What's wrong going on, man?
Double up. We're in the White House there.
Esta.
Why?
Video face, walla why?
Yeah, we just find it's funny and amusing. That's why we put it on the platform, you know. So popcaan plays on Lodi and my Harry Toddler them and video face them. Big up the man them. You see me I say? And so video face can say, yo, the man that got dead off, you know, Papi you come kill them. So but they say, why pa you come? You see, come tag, you see me? But the way popcaan can say it to them, video face, you think you get to walla why? And they play with Papi that the way expressive talk and the words they make it always funny and catchy with the people. Video face, walla why? Yeah man, big up popcaan, big up Harry Toddler, big up video face, big up the man them. I tell me I say, I so want to see the man them together, man. I play load and a wall of vibes, no segregation, no bad mind and no differentiation. So me I say unity. Big up the artists, them viewers and subscribers, let me know anything. Big up popcaan. So me I say, big up Danny Bless and Andrew Fresh and all of them. And I love to see the man they make it up and you know playing, play some load it and build back the unity, man. I'm out, you know, I'm gone.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.